Hello everyone. Today I will talk about how to complete the Digital Spring Boot Framework FP Hands-on Solution. Course ID is 55960. Okay guys. So guys, this is the fresh to play course you can complete, and in this video I will talk about this Spring Boot Framework Hands-on Solution. Okay guys, so first you can go to your favorite browser and you can open the Ultimatix, and you can search here and go to the iVol Learner portal, and you can search the 55960 course and enroll this course. And after enroll this course, you can go to my website. You can see here examsolving.in website, and here I will provide all the TCS related courses solution, so you can follow this website and complete your courses. Okay guys, so first is the Digital Spring Boot Framework FP Hands-on Solution. So just you can click on this link and open this page, and okay guys, you can see here, and this is the course solution. First is the sorting list of candidates. So first problem is sorting list of candidate. You can go to the Ultimatix and enroll this course. After enroll this course, you can launch the hands-on solution course. After completing the course, you can launch the hands-on solution course, and after launching this, open inside the browser. The TCS server is open inside the browser, and VS Code is open. You can see here image, and this is first is the sorting list candidate, and inside this you can write the first file employee.java. You can search inside this VS Code and employee.java file. You can write this code inside the employee.java file. Okay, and this is the code. You can follow this website. You can just simply copy and paste here. And second is the employee controller. So you can search employee controller and employee controller.java file, and you can write this code under employee controller.java file. Okay, I hope you can understand everything. And this is the second file, employee controller.java file, and this is the third file, employee service.java file. You can write this code employee service.java file. Okay, and inside the employee service.java file, you can see here public class name is employee service. You can write this code inside the employee service.java file. Okay, and second problem is accessing accessing values from the application property.file. Okay, you can see here, this is the image. If we not visible clear, you can click on this image and you can see here. Okay, and you can write this code inside the application.property.file. Under the this file, you can write this fresco course equal to Spring Boot. Okay, and third one is the print contents of the list along the sublist. Okay, you can, this is the problem, and you can write this inside the content controller.java file. So you can search content controller.java file and write this code under the content controller.java file. Okay, you can see. And second file is content service.java file. You can write this code under content service.java file. Okay, you can see. Okay guys, so in this video I will talk about how to complete the hands-on solution of Spring Boot Framework. Course ID is 55960. I hope you can understand everything. I will make another video for the MCQ question also. I will upload also. Okay, I will upload all soon. So I hope you like this video. If you like, hit the like button, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates related to TCS Fresco. You can see a lot of courses are here. You can find out the MCQs and hands-on, and iVol also, week first mandatory IIP, and iVol MCQ course also, and you can watch these videos also. Okay, link the assessments also. Okay guys, okay, thanks for watching this video. I will